Do you know what the first hour after you wake up says about your entire life? If you wake up late, scroll your phone, and feel lazy, chances are your whole day follows the same pattern: wasted time, lost focus, and broken dreams. But look at people who reach the top: CEOs, authors, athletes, and even language masters. They guard their mornings like a treasure chest. Why? Because the morning is your mind's golden hour, and the right habits can turn you into the successful, confident, and fluent person you dream of becoming. Today, you will discover the 7 powerful morning habits that successful people swear by, and how you can easily use them to not only change your English learning but your whole life. Listen carefully, take notes, because when you change your mornings, you change everything. Habit 1: wake up early, but wake up for a reason. Waking up early is not new advice. Everyone has heard it. Wake up at 5 a.m. Be like successful people. But here's a truth nobody tells you: it's not about waking up early. It's about waking up with purpose. Think about this. If you wake up at 5 a.m. but you have nothing exciting to do, you'll hate your alarm clock. You'll snooze it 10 times. But successful people don't wake up early just to torture themselves. They wake up because they have something meaningful to do. How you can do this: tonight, before you sleep, write down one exciting thing you will do tomorrow morning just for you. It could be reading an inspiring book for 10 minutes, listening to an English podcast with a cup of tea, going for a quiet walk while repeating English phrases out loud. Now, when you wake up, you don't feel lost. You feel motivated. Psychology tip: your brain loves a reward. When it knows something fun is waiting for you, waking up becomes easy, so don't focus on the time. Focus on the purpose. Habit 2: make your bed, train your brain for success. You might think, how can making my bed make me successful? Let's see how. Admiral William H. McRaven, a retired U.S. Navy SEAL, gave a famous speech: if you want to change the world, start by making your bed. Why? Because making your bed is a small act of discipline. It tells your brain, today I complete tasks. Today I am in control. And guess what? Research shows people who make their bed feel more productive the whole day. How you can do this: when you get up, don't check your phone. Don't run to the kitchen. Stand up, stretch, and fix your bed neatly. Fluff the pillows. Smooth the sheet. It takes only 2 minutes, but it gives you a powerful sense of achievement. Psychology tip: your brain needs proof that you can finish what you start. Making your bed gives you proof every single morning. Habit 3: hydrate. Give your brain power. Most people wake up and drink coffee first thing, but your brain is made of 75% water. When you sleep, you get dehydrated. Successful people drink a big glass of water right after waking up. It wakes up their mind and body better than coffee ever can. How you can do this: keep a glass or bottle of water near your bed. The moment you open your eyes, drink it all. Even better, add a slice of lemon for vitamin C. This simple habit flushes out toxins and tells your brain, time to be alert. Psychology tip: dehydration makes you tired, confused, and slow to learn new words. Staying hydrated keeps your English practice sharp and your memory strong. Story break: meet Amy. Let's take a quick story break to see these 3 habits in action. Amy was a busy mom in Japan, working full-time, taking care of 2 kids, and dreaming of learning English fluently to get a better job abroad. For years, she bought courses but never had time. She always said, "I'm too tired." One day, she heard these same habits. She didn't believe they would work, but she tried anyway. First week, she started waking up at 6 a.m. just to listen to 5 minutes of her favorite English YouTuber. She made her bed neatly. She drank water first thing. Just 3 habits. Guess what? Within 1 month, she had a new routine. She felt fresh at work. She started speaking English with confidence online. She got invited for an interview abroad. It all started with changing her morning. So, my friend, if Amy can do it, so can you. Quick practice. Let's practice some phrases you heard today. Wake up with purpose. Train your brain for success. Hydrate to activate your mind. Repeat these out loud 5 times. Your tongue and brain need this workout. Wrap-up of Part 1. Today, you learned the first 3 morning habits of successful people. 1. Wake up early for a reason. 2. Make your bed. Prove you can finish what you start. 3. Hydrate. Fuel your brain first. In Part 2, I will show you the next 2 habits, and they are deep psychological secrets that millionaires use to stay calm, focused, and unstoppable. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. Tell me in the comments. What time do you wake up now? And which habit will you try tomorrow morning? Your answers inspire others too. In Part 1, you learned 3 powerful morning habits of successful people. Wake up early, but for a reason. Make your bed to train your brain for discipline. Hydrate to activate your mind. Many people think they know these, but few people do them. Today we go deeper. I will reveal habits 4 and 5, 2 habits that separate ordinary people from extraordinary ones. These habits protect your mind, set your mood for the whole day, and supercharge your focus so you don't just learn English but you master it confidently. Ready? Take a deep breath. Let's go. Habit 4. Practice gratitude. Rewire your brain for happiness. When you wake up, your brain is very sensitive. The first thoughts you think shape your emotions for the next 16 hours. Negative people wake up and immediately think, I'm so tired. Why is life so hard? Ooh, I hate my job. This poisons their mind before breakfast. Successful people do the opposite. They spend the first 2 minutes listing what they are grateful for. This simple habit is life-changing. Why it works. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on the good. When you focus on the good, you feel hopeful. And hopeful people have stronger motivation, better health, and learn faster, proven by science. How you can do this? Every morning, before you touch your phone, whisper or write down 3 things you feel grateful for. Start with, I am grateful for my healthy body. I am grateful I have a chance to learn English today. I am grateful for the people who love me. Feel it, smile while you say it. Psychology tip. Gratitude lowers stress hormones like cortisol. Less stress means your memory works better, perfect for learning new words and phrases. Habit 5. Move your body. Wake up energy. Next powerful habit. Successful people don't lie in bed scrolling. They move. When you move your body in the morning, your brain releases endorphins, the happy chemicals. It clears your mind, wakes up your muscles, and makes you feel unstoppable. How you can do this. No gym needed. Stretch your arms and legs for 2 minutes. Do 10 jumping jacks. Walk around your house while repeating English words. Even 5 minutes of gentle exercise makes a huge difference. For example, Tony Robbins, a famous life coach, jumps on a mini trampoline every morning for 2 minutes. He says it wakes up his body and shakes away negative energy. You don't need a trampoline. Just move. Dance in your room if you want. Nobody is watching. Psychology tip. Studies show light exercise increases focus for up to 4 hours. So if you want to read an English book or practice speaking, move first, then study. Story break. Meet Mohammed. Let's see how these habits changed one man's life. Mohammed lived in Egypt and worked night shifts. He dreamed of moving to Canada and needed to pass IELTS, but he was always tired and negative. One day, he heard about gratitude and morning exercise. At first, he laughed, how can saying thank you and stretching change my life? But he decided to try. Next morning, before touching his phone, he whispered, thank you for my family. Thank you for this new day. Thank you for the chance to change my life. Then he did 10 push-ups and 20 seconds of jumping jacks. That's it. Result? Within 2 weeks, he felt happier. He studied English for 30 minutes every morning without excuses. 6 months later, he passed IELTS and moved to Toronto. One small change at sunrise, one big change in destiny. Phrases to practice. Repeat these out loud to improve your fluency and confidence. Gratitude rewires my brain. Move my body, boost my mind. Small habits, big results. Repeat them slowly, then fast, then in your own sentence. Quick action plan. Tomorrow morning. 1. Wake up. 2. Before phone, say 3 things you're grateful for. 3. Do 2 minutes of body movement. 4. Feel the energy and learn something new in English. These tiny steps add up. This is how successful people whine every morning before the world wakes up. Wrap up of part 2. Today you unlocked 4 gratitude, control your mind. 5 morning movement, control your energy. In part 3, we will finish with the final 2 habits. These are secret habits of top achievers that most people never practice. One of them is so powerful that billionaires hire coaches just to master it. So don't miss it. Tell me in the comments, what are you grateful for this morning? Did you move your body today? Your comment may motivate someone across the world to change their life too. Stay tuned for part 3, the final habits of unstoppable people. Coming up next. Hey there, champion. So far you've discovered 5 life-changing morning habits. Wake up early with purpose. Make your bed, master discipline. Hydrate, fuel your brain. Practice gratitude, protect your mood. Move your body, boost your energy. These are not just actions, they are the seeds of success planted in the quiet morning hours. But the final 2 habits? They are the crown jewels. They give you unbreakable focus and a clear mind, so you can learn English faster, work smarter, and handle life like a champion. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's finish strong. Habit 6. Plan your DIY win on paper first. Successful people never wake up and hope for the best. They plan for success. Why? If you don't plan your day, the day will plan you. Distractions, other people's problems, social media, they will steal your time. Planning your day is like being the captain of a ship. You tell your mind where to sail. How successful people do it. They take 5 minutes each morning to write down the 3 most important tasks for today. 1 personal goal, like 30 minutes English practice. 1 small thing for happiness, like drinking tea in peace. This habit helps you focus on what really matters, not just busy work. How you can start. You don't need a fancy planner. A piece of paper is enough. Right after you drink water and move your body, 1, sit down. 2, ask yourself, what 3 things must I finish today to feel proud tonight? 3, write them down. Keep it simple. Example, finish my English lesson. Send job application. Call my parents. Then put this paper somewhere you can see it all day. Psychology tip. When you plan your day, your brain feels less stressed. It stops wasting energy on random decisions. Scientists call this reducing decision fatigue. Your mind stays clear for big goals like mastering English. Success story, Lena from Indonesia. Lena was a busy mother of 3. She wanted to learn English but always said, I don't have time. One morning, she watched a video like this and heard, plan your day before others plan it for you. So she tried. Wake up early. Drink water. Stretch for 3 minutes. Write down her top 3 tasks. She always put 15 minutes of English at the top. Result? After 30 days, she finished a whole English course she had delayed for years. Now, she works as a virtual assistant for a company in Australia, earning in dollars from her kitchen. 1 small plan equals 1 big new life. Say this out loud. I win my day on paper first. I control my time. I focus on what matters. Habit 7. Feed your mind. Learn something before the world wakes up. This is the final habit and my personal favorite. Before the noise of the world fills your head, successful people feed their mind with knowledge, inspiration, or skills. Why it works. Your brain is like a sponge in the morning. It absorbs information faster and remembers longer. So, instead of scrolling social media or checking the news, feed your mind with something that grows you. For example, read 2 pages of an English book. Listen to an English podcast while making breakfast. Watch an inspiring video in English. Even 10 minutes a day equals 60 hours a year. Imagine how much your English can improve. How billionaires do IT? Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, says, the more you learn, the more you earn. He spends 80% of his mornings reading and thinking. Not working, reading and thinking. If billionaires do it, we can too. A simple way to start. Tomorrow, before you touch your phone, 1. Open an English book, podcast, or video. 2. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Learn one new word or idea. That's it? This habit is like watering a plant every day. Your knowledge tree will grow tall and strong. Story time. Arjun from India. Arjun was an electrician who dreamed of moving to New Zealand, but his English was weak and he hated reading. One day, his uncle told him, "Feed your mind in the morning. It's the best time." Arjun promised to read one page of an English article every morning before work. At first, it was boring. He didn't understand half the words. But he never quit. 1 page became 2 pages. Then 5 pages. A year later, Arjun spoke English confidently enough to pass his immigration interview and now works happily in Auckland, earning 4 times his old salary. Quick recap all 7 habits. 1. Wake up early, have a reason. 2. Make your bed, master small discipline. 3. Hydrate, activate your body and mind. 4. Practice gratitude, protect your mood. 5. Move your body, boost energy. 6. Plan your day, own your time. 7. Feed your mind, learn before the noise comes. Practice these phrases. Speak these like mantras every morning. I am in control of my day. My habits create my future. 1 good morning equals 1 good life. Your challenge. For the next 7 mornings, practice all these habits. Write down what changes you feel. Are you more focused? Happier? Learning faster? Small habits change your English. Small habits change your mind. Small habits change your life. Final message for you. Dear friend, success is not about luck. It's about tiny things you do every morning when no one is watching. Start tomorrow, keep going for 7 days, then 30 days, then forever. Your future self will thank you. Comment below. Which habit is your favorite? Which habit are you starting tomorrow morning? Let's inspire each other in the comments. End of part 3. Congratulations. You have finished 7 morning habits of successful people. You are not just learning English, you are becoming a leader of your own life. I'm so proud of you. See you in the next video.